Alright, hey, this video is going to go over an example where we are now going to look for the radius. So if you're getting bored of this series for this week, you know what? Just because we got different shapes, we're going to do exactly the same thing. We use the different formulas because they're different shapes, where we're going to do the same things with the formulas. So again, we're going to start with the formula volume of a cone. A cone is a third of a cylinder, and a cylinder is pi r squared times the height. I don't know why I got a little decimal point out there. There we go. Let's plug in the numbers that we know. Volume is 263.76. 263.76 equals 1/3 pi. We're going to look for the radius this time, so we still got an r squared. And the height, what's the height? Oh, it's not in the problem, it's in the diagram. Whoops. Times 7. So I'm going to write down the left side of this equation is 263.76 equals the right side of the equation. I'm going to multiply the pi times the height, so 3.14 times height is 7 equals that, and then divide it by 3 to take a third of it. Oh goodness. Let's go ahead and round this to the hundredths place, so it's going to be 7.33. 7.33 times radius squared. So let's divide both sides by 7.33. So we cancel that out, and then radius squared equals... Oh, I can't move it. It sticks with... Oh, there. It does kind of move. Radius squared equals, let's see, 263.76 divided by 7.33 equals... Oh, wow. 35 point... I'm wondering if I should have rounded it, because almost a nice number here. Maybe I shouldn't have rounded the number before, because I noticed it's very close to 36. So 263.76 divided by 7.33 is 35.98. And if we square root that, it equals 5.99. 5.998 equals r squared. So I was a little concerned because I'm like, ooh, we rounded the 7.33 like all the way up in this step. So it might have changed our answer at the end, because I noticed that this was very close to 36, and the square root of 36 equals 6, because 6 times 6 equals 36. But, oops, this actually should be equals r. But if we go to our answer at the end, if we round this, the 8 tells the 9 to go up 1, so it's going to be 6 point, instead of 99, it's going to be 100, which then instead of 599 becomes 600 there. So it does go up to 6. So either way, our answer rounds to 6. I thought we were going to get the wrong answer because we rounded, but nope. It's after we re-round at the end, it does come out to 6 meters. I'm pretty sure that's correct because it's a whole number there. But just make sure, here we go, and excellent. So that's how we find the radius. Oh, I never said this so far in all the videos, but if you need to rewatch it, obviously rewatch it. Here's another example of finding the radius. I don't need to go over a different example, just rewatch the same one and then do the same thing when you got a similar problem, okay? Alright, good luck.